Hello everyone, it's time to share the good stuff again. And what we are bringing you to today is the Sl-936D Digital Heating Soldering Iron. If you want to light up, Sunshine Sl-936D Digital Heating Soldering Iron is your best choice. New digital temperature control design make your temperature control more accurate. Can raise the temperature, also can reduce the temperature. Very convenient. Easy conversion between Celsius and Watt. It's very intuitive and convenient both at domestic and foreign. Imported ceramic heating core. Fast heating speed, no need to wait. Equipped with extremely fine anti-static iron head, heat conduction is rapid. Have it, let your repairing be easy. Thank you for your attention today. We will see